VeChain is one of the most widely used blockchain platforms in the world, and its site has recently undergone some changes. As a result, we're likely to see $1 equaling 1 VET in the near future. In this video, we'll take a look at some price predictions for VeChain. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so you never miss a video from us as well. But before we continue moving on to the video, know that the prices of cryptocurrencies are frequently changing, so by the time you watch this video, it already might have changed to a whole new value. The content in this video is for entertainment purposes only and hence shouldn't be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own research and due diligence and consult your financial advisor if you have one before making any investment decisions. Without further ado, let's dive in. According to the company's website, the purpose for this is to decouple the expense of adopting blockchain from market speculation. And if you're still thinking about investing in assets worth less than $1, you should think about these tokens, especially in VeChain. It is an enterprise blockchain with the goal of being the premier platform for initial coin offers and conducting transactions amongst IoT connected devices. It is also intended to improve supply chain management and corporate processes. VeChain's mission is to leverage distributed ledger technology to streamline these operations and information flow for complex supply chains. VeChain's mission is to leverage distributed ledger technology to streamline these operations and information flow for complex supply chains. VET is used to transmit value over the VeChain network, whereas VTHO is utilized to fuel smart contract transactions like energy or gas. VeChain is based in China, and you should be aware that the blockchain platform is closely related to the Chinese government. Nation states, on the other hand, can decide the function technology plays in their socio-economic spectrum due to rules and political status. For countries that currently restrict the flow of information, blockchain's anonymity and immutability have been a source of concern. A countermeasure that is taking shape is the development of an audited and controllable blockchain solution. With China currently developing a statewide blockchain service network, VeChain was created as a subsidiary of Bytes, a Chinese blockchain company. Permissioned corporate blockchains have gained traction in China, despite the fact that decentralized blockchains have had a bad reputation in China due to their anonymity and lack of traceability by official tracking. Before studying new avenues for growing blockchain into a comprehensive governmental instrument to enforce their state laws above all else, China considered blockchain as a source of concern. China's interest in a highly centralized blockchain where the government can guarantee self-controlled governance and development is highlighted in a brief from the EU Institute for Security Studies. The Chinese government's crackdown on cryptocurrencies is having no effect on VeChain and other enterprise-focused blockchain platforms because of VeChain's proof of authority consensus process and its commercial clients. It is easily auditable, posing no risk. Furthermore, servicing business clients like Walmart and sovereign states like San Marino demand trust building throughout transparency inspection of the company. As a result, VeChain is quickly becoming China's preferred blockchain option. According to local media source, VeChain has been included in China's 5-year national development plan as the country focuses more on blockchain applications, particularly in their digital yuan and local blockchain service network. VeChain Foundation acknowledged a meeting with Chinese government officials from the provinces of Shanghai, Chang'e, and Huapu in a tweet. Deputy Director of the Changying District, Pan Min, commanded VeChain's development and integration repeatedly during their Singapore meeting. In addition, the meeting covered how VeChain integration might influence the corporate sector and has done both within and outside of China. By extending its exposure within China, VeChain is overcoming governmental hurdles and participating in China's 5-year blockchain plan, which relieves some of the geopolitical strain. VeChain also participated in the Chinese Food Safety Summit on July 7th as the conference's only enterprise blockchain vendor. So these concerns that are spreading around the world according to Pew Research Central Survey, and China's political opinion is rapidly deteriorating outside of Asia. Martha Bennett has also stated that the amount of Chinese state-owned and controlled enterprises engaged in overseas activities is still causing some concern. Regardless, China is predicted to have the fastest rate of adoption of blockchain due to its existing digitized infrastructure. Jim Breyer, on the other hand, believes that geopolitical divides are destructive to global welfare. While his comment does not specifically mention blockchain, it might be argued that a global blockchain solution similar to the one implemented at scale in China could aid in achieving optimal outcomes. China's current strategy in the blockchain is to become the worldwide rulemaker. China's blockchain uses such as yuan has already been warned against by the US and other countries. VeChain has managed to avoid suspicion and both sides in this regard. While VeChain is a standalone blockchain service, it serves other entities and is not only focused on Chinese interests, at least for the time being. VeChain's VTrust technology has been installed in over 200 public spaces in China. VeChain has also been introduced in the Republic of San Marino. VeChain has also escaped the wrath of national governments in this sense because its driving force is financial. In July, VeChain pricing fell below the June 20 low, but has since rebounded with a 40% gain over the last 6 trading days, demonstrating devotion and emotion in a cryptocurrency that had previously led the market lower. VET, on the other hand, has now been confronted by 4 credible signs, producing a strong resistance level that will limit the upward trend for the time being. On July 20th, the Daily Relative Strength Index, or RSI, showed an oversold signal, but the cryptocurrency rebounded the next day, its greatest daily gain since May 31, putting its position to break through descending trend line that began in May. VT was liberated from its downtrend on July 22, kicking off a rise to today's high of 0.093. On July 26 high, the increase from July 20th, closing below the June 22 low of 0.05, and has reached 63% before reversing sharply. The pessimistic Amazon report about Bitcoin is being blamed by some for the VeChain price reversal. VT reached the 50-day SMA at 0.08 and anchored VWAP from January 3rd at 0.08, and the lower board of the daily Ichimon's cloud at 0.08. According to the more objective explanation, at 0.09, the 200-day SMA reinforces the resulting levels of resistance. In the medium term, VeChain's price will be pushed lower as the profit-taking continues following the impressive rise. VT support starts at July 26's low of 0.069, which is matched with a range of price congestion that dates back to late June and has been held in the past 2 days. If the VeChain price falls below 0.069, it will be tested against May falling trend, which crosses the 0.059 low from June 22nd. Failure to hold lowers VET's prices, confirming the present rebound as a dead cat bounce to consider higher pricing. VeChain must first close above 0.09, where the 200-day SMA coincides with the June 29 price. The challenge then becomes on overcoming the everyday Ichimon's cloud's intrinsic resistance. After VeChain's pricing tagged critical resistance on May 26, easy money was made. The question for investors now is whether the rebound is the start of long-term upswing, just like a dead cat bounce. If there's to be a true reversal, VeChain will need to get out of the pickle and shovel, as the barriers to further optimistic results are high. VeChain has a CEO and development team, which increases its transparency. That structure does not exist in Bitcoin. According to some experts, the Chinese government wants to have its own unstable coin by the most popular cryptocurrency in the world, hence they decided against Bitcoin, but keep in mind that they've already banned Bitcoin 3 times. Because Bitcoin is decentralized, it cannot be explicitly prohibited. All this isn't to claim that VeChain's extensive adoption or other advantages are solely due to their good relations with the Chinese government. VeChain is superb blockchain technology that has proven to be effective in solving real-world issues. This is only beginning to reap the benefits of its one-of-a-kind protocol. VeChain is also experimenting with and participating in another variety of digital advancements. As a result, the news about the crypto crackdown and Bitcoin mining has no impact on them. These innovations, we believe, are paving the way for VeChain to become more inventive. Of course, the platform has more commercial opportunities, resulting in increased growth and a higher VET price. These are the reasons you should begin accumulating VT. Wait too long, you may be too late. With this, we have come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. We hope this session was informative. Do let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more content just like this one and share it with your friends. And also don't forget to smash that like button and press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later.